Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Avalon's maintenance light. This guide will help you quickly turn off that maintenance required indicator after your routine service, like an oil change. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few moments. You'll learn the exact steps to follow, ensuring your vehicle's computer is properly updated. Let's get started and keep your Avalon running smoothly. To begin, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. You'll want to ensure the engine remains off for this entire process. Next, find the trip meter reset button on your dashboard. Press this button repeatedly until your vehicle's odometer reading is clearly displayed on the screen. This sets up the correct starting point for the reset procedure. Now turn your ignition key completely to the off position. With the ignition off, press and firmly hold down the trip meter reset button. While still holding the button, turn the ignition back to the on position, again without starting the engine. Keep holding the button. You will see a series of dashes, then zeros, appear on the odometer display. Once the odometer display shows all zeros, you can release the trip meter button. At this point, your maintenance required light should be completely off, confirming a successful reset. If the light remains on, simply repeat these steps, paying close attention to each instruction. Remember to always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for any model-specific variations or additional details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.